Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking connections so you isolate the issue quickly. First, power off both devices, then reconnect a known good HDMI cable to the PS5 port and the TV's HDMI 2. 1 or 2. 0 input. Once done, enable TV game mode to reduce processing that washes color, and temporarily disable HDMI-CC so automatic switching won't change settings. Make sure your TV firmware is current. Outdated firmware can alter color handling and cause a washed-out appearance. Now you'll change Ps5 output settings to match the TV's capabilities, which fixes many color issues. Go to Settings Screen and Video, choose the proper resolution and refresh rate that your TV supports. Mismatches can desaturate color. Then set RGB range to full if your TV accepts full RGB, otherwise automatic. This affects black and white levels. Next, toggle HDR and run the HDR calibration tool. That aligns brightness and color, mapping so highlights. Finish by optimizing your TV's picture settings so color looks natural and consistent. Select a movie or cinema picture preset for accurate color, then tweak color temperature toward neutral and increase saturation modestly if needed. Extreme changes distort skin tones and game art. Once done, compare with another HDMI port or cable to rule out hardware. If colors remain washed out, reset Ps5 video settings to default and try a different TV. This isolates whether the console or display is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.